Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bitcoin Case and today we are going to review Satoshihero. Satoshihero is a faucet that has been around for quite some time that I would like to recommend to you. They also have some offer walls. They do withdrawals starting at 30,000 Satoshi minimum in your balance, and they process withdrawals once per day. They also have a good referral program where you will receive 50% of all of your referrals earnings from the faucet as well as the offer walls. Those are credited to your account instantly. And sign up is very easy here, just like most faucets and online earning sites. Simply an email, verify the capture and sign up. And then once you have done all of that, you will sign in and your account will look like this. Here on the main page, you can jump right to the faucet there. And you can see everything here on the left side, all the different options. Bitcoin games is a list of slot machines that you can play right on site. Now, I don't recommend gambling your precious crypto, but for fun once in a while, or for those who enjoy slot machines, to each their own, these are available for you. The Offerwall section has 5 of the more well-known offer wall sites that are known to pay better than some of the others. Like most offer walls, you will be paid instantly for your offers, although some of them require verification and may take a little bit longer. More Free Bitcoins is just a list of some other casino sites they're partnered with, as well as some of the more well-known faucets and pay-to-click sites. In the withdrawal section, simply when you have 30,000 Satoshi in your balance here, you'll simply put in your wallet address, how many Satoshi you would like to withdraw. Remember, make this Satoshi. You're not going to want to say 0.0003. As you can see, they say that's less. So you actually want to put the amount of Satoshi that you want to withdraw. So when we type in 30,000 Satoshi, you'll see that that will be okay. When you click on My Stats, very simple little stat page here, shows your current balance, total claims that you've made, how much you've earned, how many withdrawals, and how much you've been paid. And this is not all from referrals. I played the Buffalo slot machine once, and it just kept going and going, and I won 4 or 5 times in a row and got some bonus spins and got lucky. But again, I do not recommend gambling your crypto on slot machines. This I was just doing for fun, and it just jumped right up on me, so I kept going, and then I cashed out. In your settings page, you'll just see your email, and you can change your password in there. In the referrals tab, you'll see that you can make 50% from everything your referrals make, and you'll see a referral link here, and this is what you're going to want to share with your friends or on social media if you want to get some referrals. Here you can share the link directly to Facebook, Twitter, or vk.com from right here. You can also download their graphics kit, which contains banners, different sizes, and that will save it to the files on your computer, and you can use those in your referring efforts. So let's go right to where we can get our free Bitcoins here in the faucet. So we'll click Get Free Bitcoins Now. You'll be taken right to this page where you'll want to click here to see the capture. And then you'll just need to verify the capture, and then you will continue to the claim. We'll go ahead and do one here. All right. Well, it says we didn't verify them all, so let's do the cars. All right, once you've done so, it'll say claim confirmed, and you can continue to claim from that point. Just 2 Satoshi on that one, but you can claim again. Hopefully we get an easier CAPTCHA this time. All right, the buses. And after you verified the CAPTCHA a certain number of times, sometimes this won't even pop up. You'll just instantly get a check mark in the box, and that obviously will make this process go a little bit faster than what you see here. Or sometimes the CAPTCHA doesn't keep adding new ones. As you see, we clicked them all. I really don't like those ones. And traffic lights. All right, continue to claim. This time, just 3 Satoshi. So we will try it again. Now you can win up to 250,000 Satoshi. The amount varies generally every claim. So we'll click to see the CAPTCHA one more time. And let's see if we get an easy one. Cars. All right. Continue to claim. One more time. This time 7 Satoshi. And you see, since we've claimed 3 times, we'll have to wait 10 minutes here from the first claim. And so we've got 7 minutes to go till we can claim again, and again 3 times every 10 minutes. So 6 times hourly you can claim 3 times each, so about 18 claims hourly. And again, this is nothing that you're going to get rich off overnight. But when you combine this with all of the other different sites and ways that you earn crypto for free, this just adds to that. And as far as my rating for this site, I've been a member here for a long time, always been paid. Well, just the one payout, but a large payout, and other members have been getting payments from this site for years. So this gets definitely a 100% legit rating, as they're very stable and have been around a while. And they also have a sister site, which we will probably do in my next review. As for this, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and learned something about Satoshihero and how to get free Bitcoins. I'm Bitcoin Case, and I will see you next time.